All right, this is our second question on Olympiad maths. All right, and this is very, very simple. I told you we'll be giving you 200 Olympiad maths questions. Now, look at this question. This is very, very simple. So, what do? You go ahead and break everybody down. I know that 14 means 7 times 2. Okay, don't forget it has raised to power 3 plus 21 means 7 times 3. I hope you know raised to power 3 plus 7 times 4 raised to power 3 times, sorry, plus then 7 times 5 raised to power what? 3 all over. Let's repeat the same thing here. 7 times 2 times 7 times 3 times 7 times 4 times 7 times 5. Now, look at what we do now. The next thing is clear this bracket. I'm going to have that this is something saying 7 raised to power 3 times 2 raised to power 3 plus 7 raised to power 3 times 3 raised to power 3 plus 7 raised to power 3 times 3 raised to power 4. Sorry, 4 raised to power 3 plus 7 times 3 times 5 raised to power 3. Okay, all over. Now, I have 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. This is 7 raised to power 4. They are 4 in number. Then times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. Okay, this is very simple. Now, if you look at the numerator, you see that they have 7 raised to power 3 in common. So I'm going to bring out that 7 raised to power 3 they have in common. I'm going to now have 2 raised to power 3 plus 3 raised to power 3 plus 4 raised to power 3 plus 5 raised to power 3. Now, all over 7 raised to power 4 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. Now, having this thing, now what do we do finally? I'm going to have that this will take care of this to remain just 1 7 here. According to indices, there are 3 here and there are 4. So if this cancels this, I'm going to have 1 7 here. So it's going to be what? This raised power this normally will give you 8. All right. 3 times 3, I'm going to have 27. This is going to be 27. Okay. Plus 27 plus 4 raised to power 3. 4 raised to power 3 is 64 times 5 raised to power this is 125. So all over. Now I have 7 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. Okay, so now getting to this place, let me add everybody there. 8 plus 27 plus 64 plus 125. I'm having 224. 224 all over 7 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. All right. Okay, let us start dividing. You know that 2 can cancel this to give you 1 1 2. Okay. 4 can cancel here to give you 4 into 10 is 2, right? Then 4 into 12 is 4 into 12 is, sorry, 4 into 10 is 2. That is remainder 2. Okay, 4 into 22 is what? Sorry, 112 divided by 4. Okay, that is 8. Yes, 28. Okay, so what's the next thing now? 3 can divide now. 3 into this is 1. 3 into 28. 3 into 28. 3. No, not 3, but 7. Not 3, but 7. 7 into here 1. 7 into 28. I'm going to have 4. Okay, so nothing else can divide. So you see that finally the answer is what? 4 over what? 15. That is the answer. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.